Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the creation of blogs. So this is sort of step one in making and maintaining your blog. So first of all, when it comes down to making blogs, people do it for all kinds of reasons. So to just throw the personal to one side, we're going to start by focusing on the blogs that will earn you the most money. So I'm going to do them in order, so that will be affiliate, business and personal blogs. So firstly, an affiliate blog. What exactly is this? Well, an affiliate is kind of like the middleman in a transaction between a business and a customer. So basically, you will sign up to an affiliate program. You will basically get a number of different products. You'll get little reference links and you'll be able to put them in your blog. And you'll generally blog about the different topics which you can sell their product in. So for example, let's say you've got VPNs. You would be blogging about cybersecurity, you'd be talking about IT stuff and finding ways to get other different bits of tech into those kind of tech blogs. If you were doing recipes, for example, Indian, Chinese or Thai, it's best to focus on one specific area per blog. What you would be doing is, let's say you've got an Amazon Associates link, you can find the exact spices, the sort of ingredients that you would use and recommend to people on Amazon, and then basically get a little Amazon link, and you will start earning money when people go on your blog and want to buy these specific ingredients in order to make food. So there are all sorts of ways that you can earn affiliate income from this kind of stuff. Now, my advice to you if you're running an affiliate blog is it's also good to run quite a few different Facebook pages. Let's say you've got a website that's dedicated entirely to recipes. So what you'd do is you'd have everything that's Indian under an Indian category, everything that's Chinese category, everything that's English under an English category. So you'd have all of these different meals under different categories, and then you'd have a different Facebook page for each of these. You can advertise them all individually, get them out to different audiences, and basically build an audience where you can share your recipes relentlessly, and the pages over time will get more views and you'll be able to sell more products as you write more blogs in those areas. So this is a really, really good way to sort of bolster your income and make sure you're earning from things. It's pretty much the same with computer tech stuff. You get more and more involved and get access to different programs, like for example ClickBank is a good one. There's quite a few different programs on there. Basically, there are so many affiliate programs out there, I'd be wasting time going into all of these. But the things that you need to take into account is it's always good to have a lot of information on these blogs. My advice to everybody is always have at least 1,500 words in your blogs. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of effort, and writing blogs is hard work. However, the primary function of these affiliate blogs will be to sell specific products. And if you've got that in your mind and that's your goal, it will be much easier to do that. So next we will go on to the business blogs. So a business blog is a little bit different because you're not necessarily trying to get somebody to immediately buy a service. You're trying to offer people advice, information, things like that, things that will make them come to like your company. So this is kind of very, very much a brand awareness thing. There are IT firms that will sell sort of VPNs and other cybersecurity things, antiviruses. I've done quite a bit of that with different IT firms, but when it comes down to it, the main goal is to localize your company. So what you would want to be doing is you would also want to make sure that you've got your company name in there quite regularly. You would want to have a bit of information about your company and the area. I usually like to put this at the end of the blog because I don't like to shovel it through people's throats. And most of the time they won't read it, but when a crawler from a search engine is kind of crawling through your website, it will pick up this information, which is really useful. So these kind of blogs, 1,500 words, if you're in a big city or if you're in a very, very a bustling metropolis, 3,000 to 4,000 words is really good. And you'll want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words if you're in a slightly smaller city or a town. So if you're creating blogs like this is going to build a local presence for your website. So it will help your site to rank, and it will help your site show up on different search engines. So the aim is to really get it so that your website is appearing higher than your competition, which means that you don't have to expend money in advertising and compete with other businesses. So over time, this is really, really valuable. Then finally, we've got the personal blogs. Now, I get pretty much, I've got so many personal blogs up on the internet, and I earn probably just a couple of quid a month from them after like literally on and off years of work. It's not really worth writing a personal blog unless if you want to earn money. It's kind of a thing that you do if you really, really love it. So when it comes down to it, it's not really a financial contender, not like an affiliate blog or a business blog, because these both the first benefits you directly